George Luce. I'll be proposing a continuous professional development. This is my business plan. So here's the content: executive summary, business overview, and then product and services, market analysis, risk assessment, marketing and sales plan, milestone, progress reporting, team budget, finance. Executive summary. So here's the name of the domain or anything, CPD Bridge, because it represents as bridging your professional learning, something. So it will be located in Fortitude Valley because there's a little space there, and then where we can put our hardware, and then there's a couple of tables and less rent, like 200 per week. Then the business structure is dependent, but I just put it here as sole proprietorship. So platform development and maintenance, an optimally engineered and easily expandable platform for delivery, monitoring and reporting of instructional courses, ongoing technical improvement and updates to ensure optimal performance and confidentiality, content acquisition, authorized educational and institution, industry and specialist, and courses authors collaboration, accreditation and partnership, establish and connection with professional accreditation organizations to certify courses, marketing and outreach. A comprehensive strategy designed to enhance the awareness of professional and organization. Customer and support. Technical supports and consumer inquiries and feedback will be managed by a specialized team. An automated system for resolving common consumer issues, including chatbots and frequently asked questions. Compliance and legal support. Systems and policies are placed to ensure compliance with global data protection and regulations such as GDP and CCPA. Those are the ones that protect the user's data to be not compromised. Legal resources to manage intellectual property and protect proprietary content. And the business overview. The Continuing Professional Development Enterprise is an online platform that is specially designed to assist professionals from a variety of industries in fulfilling their CPD requirements by providing accredited courses, compliance reporting, and monitoring tools. The platform will provide both individual and corporation solutions, allowing companies to track and manage employees' development. So here's the users of this platform. Growing need for online learning. Professionals seeking for flexible CPD options might be drawn in by growing trend towards remote work and online learning. Corporate partnership. You may sell an enterprise level license for forming partnership with business and organizations that have to oversee the professional development of their staff. Internal expansion. There are chances to localize materials and grow business worldwide because CPD standards differ by nation and sectors. Emerging technologies. The integration of artificial intelligence for tailored courses, suggestion and learning analytics has the potential to improve the user experience over the competitive advantage of emerging technologies. Mobile learning gain. More engagement and attract customers who prefer mobile learning by developing a mobile and app for professional track their continuing professional development activities on the fly or access courses offline. Industry-specific customization. The platform may customize its services to meet the particular demands of different industries by creating niche-focused features such as healthcare CPD and engineering CPD. This given platform competitive edge. So here's our product and services. CPD Library, a collection of accredited courses from industry experts and top education institutions that have been carefully selected. Specific industries such as healthcare, legal, finance, and engineering education are the focus of the courses. Certifications and professional credentials are available upon completion of both free and paid courses options. Personalized learning path, personalized learning curriculum tailored to the user's industry, professional objectives, and certification prerequisites. Courses suggestion generated by artificial intelligence informed by the user's interest and career trajectory. CPD tracking and compliance reporting. Tools to assist users monitoring their CPD hours, progress, and compliance with professional organization. Reduce automated reports that can be submitted to employers or accrediting bodies. Mobile accessibility. A smartphone application that enables users to complete courses, monitor their progress, and obtain certification while on the go. The market analysis. Possible users in the market. Professionals wishing to upskill or reskill. This professional may want to improve their skills, knowledge, or certification in order to remain competitive in their sectors or progress their professions. New graduates or recent professionals may be seeking for CPD to obtain hands-on experience, improve their abilities and establish themselves in their field. Experienced professionals trying to stay current. Experienced professionals may be looking for CPD chances to keep up with industry trends, best practices, and new technologies. Entrepreneurs and small businesses owners may be enriched of opportunities for continuing professional development in order to enhance their business skills, remain competitive, and broaden their expertise. Students and researchers. In an effort to enhance their capabilities and acquire practical experience and remain informed about the most recent research and advancement in their respective disciplines, and student researchers may be seeking opportunities for continuing professional development. Professionals seeking to transition to a new field. Professionals who are contemplating transition to new industries or business may be seeking continuing professional development opportunities to assist them acquiring the new necessary skills and knowledge. 7. Individuals seeking professional development may be interested in CPD platforms that provide courses oriented in areas such as leadership, communication, and time management. Professionals seeking to improve their soft skills. Professionals want to improve their soft skills like communication, teamwork, problem solving, and it may be interested in CPD sites and offering training classes in their areas. Professionals seeking to improve their technical skills. Experienced professionals seeking to improve their technical skills in areas such as coding, data analysis, software development, may find CPD platform offering courses training in these fields to be interested. CPD platform that offers courses and training these fields may be of interest to professionals who are seeking to improve their business skills, including finance and marketing entrepreneurship. Pushback in market analysis. So we all know it's online now, and then the learning path is all over, and then we have to going to the market is fierce. So I have list some pushback. Competitors and peers will establish platforms like Udemy, LinkedIn Learning, and Coursera may release new courses with a greater emphasis on continuing professional development, CPD, or add more sophisticated features, make it more difficult to upstart to break through. Regulatory changes, consist revision to courses content, compliance and features, and accreditation standards may be necessary to respond to change in CPD requirements for new industry regulation. Initial market penetration. If you are a new company, it might be hard to stand out and earn trust in a crowded market, especially if you're well-known rivals like LinkedIn and SoftSkills. Subscription and courses revenue might take losses if people and business are unable to afford to engage in ongoing education due to recession or other financial crisis. Risk assessment mitigation. Daily in the acquisition of content accreditation. So these are the description of the risk. The process of acquiring certified courses and revising materials may require significant amount of time, particularly when collaborating with multiple certifying agencies. The impact of it. This could potentially delay the platform launch or lead to paucity of certified materials, thereby diminishing the platform's value to users. How to mitigate it? So we're gonna build accredited affiliation early, prioritize content acquisition and diverse courses, and offering from several vendors for launch. Create content team, monitor courses updates and accreditation relationship. Technical malfunctions or platform outage. So the platform technical difficulties or downtime can lead to user dissatisfaction or loss of confidence and missed compliance deadlines. So the impact is the consequence encompass potential legal liability, reputation damage, and user loss. How do we mitigate it? Find reliable cloud hosting companies like OWS, Azure, which have solid redundancy and backup methods. Create regular maintenance schedules and IT support team to resolve issues quickly before upgrading, and use platform testing methods. Financial risk, capital shortage or cash flow issues. We know that everything costs money now, so it's included also. Insufficient financing for platform development, marketing, or operations may affect cash flows. The impact will be, this might be postponed project, lay off workers, shut down the firm. How to mitigate it? Create a financial plan, estimate income, and find money in several ways. Keep fund for unexpected expenses. High customer acquisition expenses. Description in a competitive sector, obtaining consumers, individual and corporate clients may be expensive. The impact will be higher customer acquisition costs, may strain the budget and lower profit. How do we mitigate it? Focus on cost-effective marketing methods, including search engine optimization, content marketing, partnership, and referrals. Track customers acquisition statistics to optimize campaign and save cost. So we'll bound to the law because other people, any business should bound to the law, and here's the protection of both sides, users and then the owners. Data protection violations. Description failure to comply with data privacy laws can result in legal penalties and user distrust. The impact. Significant penalties, reputations, damage, and legal actions result. How do we mitigate it? Start the platform with GDPR and CCPA compliance. Consult a lawyer to review policies and compliance. Regulatory update privacy policies and handle data safety. Risk of CPD certification. Offering illegitimate or non-accredited courses may result in legal action and user loss. Negative reputation, users loss, and legal issues. How do we mitigate it? Use business-specific accreditation agencies. Stay current on certification requirements by reviewing and updating courses content. Market risk. Competition pressure. New established enterprises compete in CPD competitions, maybe provide better pricing features and content. Impact will be market share loss, slower user acquisition, decreased profitability. How do we mitigate it? Offer unique features like personalized learning path, robust tracking tools, and corporate solutions to differentiate your platform. Keep adding at affordable price, regular market, and research keep you ahead of trends. Changing market demands. Demand for CPD solution may vary with economic situations or industry regulation. Low cost interest, revenue decrease, and growth for forecasting issues. How do we mitigate it? Offer free information or broad skill certification to research more people. Make sure your platform can react to sector-wide regulatory changes to stay current. Technology risk. Threats to cybersecurity. Description. Hacking data breaches and cyber attacks may expose sensitive data or on the site. Impact, legal, reputation, trust, financial losses. How do we mitigate it? Use encryption, two-factor authentication, and periodic security checks. Hire cybersecurity professionals to protect user data. Keep the data breach response tactics current. Quick advance in technology. Fast developments in technology might take your platform less competitive than more modern creative ideas or outmoded. The impact more advanced rivals cause users loss, upgrading and rebuilding the platform cost more. The impact is using flexible technological stack will help you to easily upgrade and content with fresh technologies. Keep update and e-learning tech advance and make consistent platform upgrades and investment. Human resources risk. Acquisition and retention of talent. Description. Developers, content writers, and sales people may be hard to find or keep, which might slow growth. The impact will be platform content, business growth delay. Mitigation. Offer competitive salaries and benefits. Create a professional development-friendly workplace. Consider remote work and attract top global talents. Over-reliance on key persons. Description. Over-reliance on few key people may cause bottlenecks or company continuity if they leave. The impact will be operational disruption, knowledge loss, scalability issues resolved. Mitigation, cross-train employees, record essentials, procedure, and prepare K-job succession, promote teamwork to share knowledge. Financial risk from pricing model. Risk, effective pricing strategy. A description, an inappropriate design pricing model, either too high or too cheap, may result in loss, income, or inability to cover expenditures. The impact, lower profitability, increased customer unhappiness, and missed sales objectives. Mitigation, conduct rigorous market research to determine competitive rates, offer tiered pricing plans to accommodate both individuals and business clients, review price on a regular basis, taking into account marketing demand and competition and consumer feedback. Marketing and sales plan. So, based on subscription, individuals, users should be able to subscribe for a monthly or yearly fee that gives them access to all of the CPD classes. The price levels could be used, simple plan. For the simple plan subscription, only some courses are available and tracking is pretty simple. The Pro Plan subscription, full access to all courses, individual learning path, and more in-depth reports. Enterprise Plan subscription, designed for companies that want to keep track of how their workers grow. It comes with large rights and management tools. Provide complementary access to restricted section of courses, fundamental functionalities, while offering an additional changes for enhanced capabilities such as expensive CPD monitoring. Paper courses. Provide the option to purchase individual courses for professionals who must fulfill specific CPD requirements. Corporate licensing. Offer a personalized pricing for organizations that wish to provide continuing professional development to their personnel. The price is determined by the number of users, industry-specific requirements, and features. Digital marketing. We're gonna use SEO to get the high rank in search results for keywords that have to do with CPD. To reach workers, run targeted social media on sites and Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. Spend money on pay-per-click ads like Google's to get people to visit the site. Email campaign. Establish a mailing list of professionals with an interest in continuing professional development and regularly provide them with updates on new courses, certification, and platform improvements. Design and implement customized email marketing for a company prospect that offers tailored solution to their specific workforce development needs. Partnership. Partner with educational institutions, professional bodies, and certifications, organizations that specialize in your industries to promote your platform and offer executive courses. Engage in influencer or thought leaders in your target sectors to expand the platform reach and promote it. Content marketing. Develop
Can you go to your
milestone.
On the milestone to
Fund.
conclusion.
It's so where's the milestone? Business foundation and planning. On January 1 to 30, January 1 to 31, finalize business plan, objectives, complete the full business plan including market research, financial forecast, operational strategies and competitors analysis, and clear vision, mission and values statement. Milestone 2, business registration and legal structure. Target dates, January 1 to 31. So, objectives, ensure that company is registered at its legal structure, sole proprietor, for example, sole proprietorship or partnership or something, is finalized and that is complies with relevant regulation. Milestone 3, obtain the initial funding. Target date, January 1 to March 31. Objectives, secure approximately 500,000 in initial funding or from investors grant or loan to contribute to platform development, marketing, employee expenses. Milestone 4, employee key personnel. March 1 to 31, it's employment. Secure the service of critical personnel, including business manager, platform developers, content creators, and marketing specialists. Milestone 5, finalization of platform design and development. April 1 to June 30. Objective, develop the platform primary features including users dashboard, compliance, reporting, course listing, and CPD monitoring tools. Milestone 6, so obtain CPD courses accreditation. Target date, June 1 to 30. Objective, collaboration with industry-specific accrediting agencies to provide a wide range of recognized CPD courses. Ensure that at least 20 courses across diverse sectors are ready for launch. Milestone 7, beta test platform. Target date, July 1 to 31, 2025. Objectives, conduct beta test of the platform with small sample of users to collect inputs and functionalities, content, and user experience. Refine the platform in response to this input. Milestone 8, complete the mobile application. Target date, August 1 to 31, 2025. Objectives, develop and implement mobile version of the CPD platform that enables professionals to complete courses and monitor their progress while on the go. Milestone 9, develop and execute marketing strategy. Target date, step number 1 to 30. Objectives, implement digital marketing strategies that encompass SEO, social media advertising, content marketing, and partnership with industry influencers, and accrediting personalization. Milestone 10, establish key partnership. Target date, September 1 to 30. Objectives, cooperate with professional association and organization to establish a minimum of 3 corporate CPD solutions. Milestone 11, platform launch. Target date, October 25, 2025. Objectives, to introduce the CPD platform to the public in an official capacity with an emphasis on the need of individual, professional, corporate clients. In the initial 3 months, commence launch marketing to attract the first 900 users. Milestone 12, launch corporate solution. Target date, December 15, 2025. Objectives, equip business with ability to manage and monitor their employees' continuing professional development progress for effectively by implementing bulk license and corporate interface capabilities. So,
Conclusion. Conclusion. That's the last part.
read it. So we'll be hiring the abilities and responsibilities personnel, CEO, the responsibility of CEO, define and carry out the company's vision, purpose, and long-term strategy, manage all terms, including the technical and operational elements, make smart decision about alliance, finances, and business growth, lead fundraising and investor relationship. Here's the name, Joe Black, business analyst, responsibilities, gather requirements from stakeholders to grow, market and develop collaborations, improvements, suggest ways to boost efficiency and simplify processes. Do market competitive research, data-driven insights, use revenue users, and marketing data to make strategic decisions. Manage stakeholders, work with corporate clients, course providers, and accrediting agencies to ensure the platform meets their needs. Risk management involve accessing potential threats, market shifts, regulatory changes, and diversing mitigation strategies. Technical operation manager, manage the platform daily technical operation to ensure uptime and efficiency, manage the system maintenance, monitoring and support, optimize house and Azure resources consumption with cloud infrastructure management, implement continuous integration and continuous development pipelines, automated testing, and code deployment to ensure platform features and the integration work with the developers. Name, Many Bruce, title lead, backend, responsibilities, PHP, CodeIgniter, designer, the management platform, the backend architecture, servers, databases, API, set up the storage, authentication, security, make sure that the application can handle more users, payment gateways and third-party services, accreditation agencies and corporate system should be integrated, optimize the backend performance for rapid data retrieval and load times. And here's the lead front-end development, front-end developer, user we're gonna use React.js to build and managing the CPD platform for user interface. Make the platform responsive on the desktop and mobile, work with the user experience and user interaction, user interface designer to produce an appealing and intuitive user experience. Optimize front-end performance for fast page load and responsive real-time progress tracking and user dashboard are key. The title of another personnel, DevOps engineer. Responsibilities, automate code deployment using continuous integration, continuous development pipelines, maintain cloud infrastructure for scalability, security, and affordability. Use New Relic and Datadog to monitor system performance and identify issues early. Manage services, backup databases, and maintain system platform availability and quick recovery from outage or technical issues. Title, security specialist. Responsibility,
So
expert
how
design.
many
Men.
people in your team?
12. Cybersecurity. Rounded up.
The last part?
Yep.
Oh,
So,
alright, okay, the
Yeah.
next one. No,
Okay.
continue.
nothing more.
That's it? Alright, thank you. Thank you for that.